Welcome back. Analyze proved the causes, regression even priced the fix. But improve has a discipline of its own. You almost always have more candidate solutions than time and money, and picking by loudest voice is how good projects die. Today, the 3 selection tools: the pick matrix for fast sorting, the weighted criteria matrix for the real decision, and cost benefit as the finance gate. We'll rank Meridian's fix list live in the LeanProjax platform. Let's choose like belts. First pass. The pick matrix, a 2x2 of impact versus effort. 4 verdicts, 1 per quadrant. High impact, low effort. Implement, just do it. High impact, high effort. Challenge, worth a business case. Low impact, low effort. Possible. Fill in work. Low impact, high effort. Kill. And killing ideas early is a kindness. Pick is deliberately crude. It sorts a brainstorm in minutes, and its verdicts are conversation starters, not contracts. For the shortlist, the weighted criteria matrix. Step 1. Agree the criteria and their weights, 1 to 10. Before looking at candidates, criteria first is the bias vaccine. Step 2. Score every candidate against every criterion. Step 3. Multiply by the weights and total. Highest weighted score leads. Then the finance gate, cost benefit, net present value ROI payback period. A solution that wins the matrix but can't pay for itself goes back for rework. Numbers first, feelings second. Let's rank Meridian's fix list. I'll use the LeanProjax platform, solution selection tool. Criteria first, weighted. Jam impact, weight 9. Implementation ease, weight 6. Running cost, weight 7. Now the candidates from our investigation, the role change trigger, the settings card rollout, and a sealer vision check. Score the grid, 1 to 10, and the matrix totals live. The verdict? The role change trigger leads at 185. There's the star. With the settings card close behind at 180. Both go forward. The vision check trails at 99, so it parks in the FMEA as a future detection upgrade. The fix list just became a ranked plan. The discipline that makes selection honest. Criteria before candidates, always. Weights belong to stakeholders, not to the analyst. Get them agreed in the room. The matrix informs, it doesn't decide. A 1-point gap is a tie, not a verdict. Sanity check the winner against risk, your FMEA, and against money, the cost benefit, and document the losers. Today's killed idea is next year's replication candidate. Exam drill. Question 1. A fix scores high impact and low effort on a pick matrix. Which quadrant, and what's the verdict? Implement. High impact for cheap is the just do it quadrant. Don't study it to death. Question 2. A candidate wins the weighted matrix, but the cost benefit shows negative NPV. What now? It fails the finance gate. Rework the solution, rescope it, or pick the runner-up. The matrix ranks desirability. The money decides feasibility. Your fix list is ranked, financed, and honest. Next lesson, the Improve capstone. We implement the winners on the platform, log the financial benefits, and close the improve phase with a toll gate. The project starts paying rent. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.